There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those.
Hello Mom and Dad Meet World. So we are at the Puyallup Spring Fair. The event has already passed for the spring, but it does give us a very good insight of what is to come for the summer and early fall for the regular Puyallup Fair. And if this is any indication, it will be pretty darn awesome. There was a lot to see here, the normal rides, the games, but also a dog show. And something that we also didn't expect was a little bit of a barbecue show, or should I say a lot of a barbecue show that was happening here, which you will see very soon in the video. So if you have been on the fence about going, or if you are coming in from out of town and are thinking about going to the Puyallup Fair come summer, early fall, I definitely would go. It is a very nice experience. Yes, there's a lot to see, a lot to do, but it's just getting out there and having that bit of fun, a little bit of family time, and again, just being out there and having some fun. We also do believe in making those memories, and if this is your first time here with your little one and they get to hit the sledgehammer and win a prize, doesn't that make the memories, along with seeing some animals, going to the petting zoo? It's all really neat. What a beautiful experience. Behind you.
So we are at the Spring Fair, and they are going to be kicking off a barbecue competition. The first contest winners will turn in, or first competitors will turn in their food at 11, and they will get, I don't know, some kind of a probably best award or whatever. But you can also buy tokens to sample all these amazing barbecues. So that is what I'm doing for lunch. So I'm sure Dennis is going to take some pictures of some different things that I sample out here at the Spring Fair.
So we did take some pictures and videos indeed. Little did we know we were going to be part of BBQ USA, BBQ USA, as they were actually filming this day, and the prize they got was actually some prize money. There was actually quite a bit of it when we were talking to some of the camera people and the producers, and this was very heated. Everything that you would expect that you would see on TV, we actually got to see in real life, and it is very stressful, very high strung, but yet very fun for all the individuals involved. Maybe I shouldn't say that, because some of the individuals did look very stressed out, but overall it was really neat to be a part of this and getting to speak to some of the barbecuers and some of the contestants. Wow, it was all just an experience, and an experience we didn't even know we were going to have. But yet we're super glad we got to be a part of it in somehow and some way.
Get it over there before it's cold.
I do try to keep most of the natural audio here, but of course there was background music playing, and some of that was not doable to keep the audio in the video.
How's it going, guys?
All right.
Fantastic.
Good.
Smells are killing me.
Rubs and stuff, but
wow.
They working well for you guys?
Yeah, they're like honestly the closest thing to like a charcoal electric smoker, because you fill the basket with like 10-12 pounds, light it, it'll stay hot for about 14 hours and just hold a steady temperature.
Oh, that's phenomenal.
You have to be careful when you lift the lid because they can get hot really fast, but as long as you just watch your air intakes, They're very handy.
I think anytime you barbecue, you have to be careful with the fluid. I might have a few burns on my forearms from not checking my.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it smells really good, you guys.
Take a photo of it or a short video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cooled off a little on the cutting board with all the flavors there.
That's
Go to like a tasting event or something, and the first thing I eat burns my tongue, and then I can't taste anything else afterwards.
Not one of the
Oh.
most flavorful
Mm.
either.
so we did.
That is super good.
We did.
Ooh.
Yeah, that looks good.
Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole.
And coleslaw. You want the coleslaw too, right?
Sure.
Yeah. He's going here.
It's amazing.
Smells amazing. It's gonna torture you all day. You're probably like hungry and like I can't eat anymore.
I'll take breaks.
That's fair.
They give me breaks.
All right, what's it look like?
Oh, thank you. You know me. You never even met me and you know me.
You guys do that for a hobby or?
He's got a small YouTube channel, Mom and Dad Me World, and we like to put small businesses on there, get out in the community, people to go see things and do things. And we figured the fair today would be a great way to find different businesses that are out doing different things.
They also do catering, so.
Oh, we did not expect a barbecue competition here, so it was like, hey,
This
we're going to
is
stay a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Glad we got good parking.
because food is kind of our passion.
How is that?
Not criminal.
Barbecue.
Follow us on Instagram.
Oh, grab the QR. Oh. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, would you like some barbecue on top?
Absolutely.
Of course.
You guys make the sauce, so I'm gonna try your sauce.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, we got to come back for these
Burnt
barbecue
ends?
burnt ends.
Yeah, about 30 minutes,
About
40
30 minutes on that. Okay.
All right.
I don't want anything to hit the floor. That would be criminal. Give me time. Oh, that's really good. It's like a sweet smoky.
Yeah.
That's so good. Tender.
So I said too, it's good. It's sweet and like savory at the same time. It's not super spicy or super tangy like a lot of them. I like it.
Yeah, it's not over peppery.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like everything from the hot to the mild, but if you're gonna go mild, go all the way mild, so that the people who don't like hot enjoy it. If I'm gonna have other stuff today, I gotta pace myself.
Yeah. Well, at least like the cabbage is like a vessel.
Yeah.
Like it's like the support, you know, that you need.
Yeah. It's light and it's fresh and it's really, really like, I don't know how to describe
punch.
it. Yes.
Yeah.
Very flavorful.
Yeah, I had cilantro before when I did that tacos. Cilantro's a little hard to keep when you're in the camping mode kind of style, but
Yes.
that's what we went with a cilantro cream.
Yes.
Are you okay with some little bit of cheese on that guy?
Absolutely. No food allergies here.
Alright.
Serve it how you think it should be served.
Yeah, like that. Just like that.
Just like that.
Alright, I'm gonna give you a fork for the slippy slops.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You might have seen me eat the other slaughter here.
Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Absolutely.
Hi. How's
Alright, so it's like a flour tortilla here.
you would like something as well? How's your guys' day?
Oh, the cheese and the coleslaw.
Good.
So good.
We're kind of all starting up here.
Pulled pork though. I mean, the burnt ends are the best pieces.
It doesn't have any sauce or anything yet.
Does
That's
not
fine.
matter.
Start right there, that way you don't have to go. Thank you, sir. Oh. Why would you put sauce on that? It doesn't even need sauce. That's so good. Look how
good
moist
is
that is. Take a bite. I already ate a whole piece.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, yeah, he's got a small video going on that one.
Beautiful, you guys.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Right there. All right, here you go. Ma'am, thank you.
All right, pork daddies. Oh, that's what we like to see.
See how look at that there. The best
Come on out.
brisket. I'm so down with brisket. look at the smoke ring on that. This is pulled pork and this is brisket. I can do a little.
Ooh, wait.
Just one. Yeah.
Yeah, enjoy. What's the name?
It is Off the Hook.
Off the Hook Barbecue.
Out of Tri-Cities.
Tri-Cities.
Tri-Cities, Washington. It's so tender. It's really, really good.
Look at that smoke ring. Oh, yeah.
I should have highlighted that first.
We injected it with a lot of sauce last night.
Did you?
Yes.
How long did you guys have to cook it for?
That's how long did the brisket take?
This one was almost 9 hours.
9 hours.
9 hours.
Like you can tell, it's just so tender.
Awesome.
I like it.
It's delicious. You guys know what you're doing.
9 hours for a brisket. Wow. Yeah, it was really, really good. Probably one of the best there. But in addition to the external vendors, there are also some internal vendors here. All sorts of different types of vendors, sunglasses to bed sheets and everything between, and even some really, really phenomenal food from, again, very, very local places.
How long have you been in business?
Oh, we've been in business for 6 years already.
Awesome.
We got the bakery in Yakima, and we also do Jupic for the public and May for the kids. You can enjoy the menus you want in the ranch, and we just charge you to the end $3 a pound. For blackberries, golden berries, blueberries, raspberries, even the gooseberries. Now they're turning purple. They're so good. And now today we got the special of 4 scones for $15. So delicious. We ran out of the huckleberry ones, but we still got the regular ones, orange rolls, raspberry, caramel apple, and your cookies. Enjoy. Come and enjoy. In Yakima, we have the bakery, and we also got the store, and we sold all kind of jam from our fruit. Golden berries, the raspberries, rosés, and all kind of berries. Most of the world, berries of the world, we have them together for you. Come and enjoy.
Appreciate it.
Overall, just a plethora of things to see, to do, to taste. It was really just a phenomenal experience, and I'm sure the Puyallup Fair in the summer, fall will be awesome. So the one-man band, Mark Dobson, he does a great job here. Overall, we just had a very fun time at the fair, and we think you will too. Come check it out. Come check it out here next spring. Come check it out in the fall and late summer. The Puyallup Fair, what a great place to visit, make memories, and have overall fun with the entire family. A lot of things to do. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you once again.